Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Bitcoin right now is looking super good, and we've had the prices technical targets actually coming up all the way to 35,000 once again. So as far as the past two video goes, we were expecting that Bitcoin probably is looking down. I still expect this visit down to $30,000. But there's one thing that I'm noticing here, and that's on the 1 hour time frame, and basically it's going to be really important for me to talk about all of these things, right? So number one is that I'm just going to drag this to the side right there, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of this one, which is going to be 1 hour. Okay, so as you were moving to the upside, you were climbing and you're going up like this. So basically you have to understand that this is a little bit of a continuation pattern which is being formed up here. Okay, so if I do zoom in there for you, you have to understand that this is probably another pennant right here. So this is going to be a continuation pennant. So when you have a ascending triangle like this, that's basically just a bull pennant going on, and you may see this to continue to the upside. Now however, keep in mind of course you didn't really break above it. So if you do break above it, I do expect that you're taking this top to bottom there, and you are looking for Bitcoin to move up to $38,618, and that's huge. That's really huge. So the thing is, we need to see Bitcoin break above here and come down for the retest. And when you go for that retest, this is going to probably hold. And once you hold it, of course, that's your very big ticket to see Bitcoin to push all the way to the moon up there. And it is what it is right now. But on the 4 hour time frame, it actually looks more like a formation of a double top. Okay, there's a little bit of a confluence here. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, that looks like one top here, second top right there. And I'm actually going to entertain the idea because right now Bitcoin is super pumped, and you may see that there's this little bit of a divergence going on right there. So the prices are moving to the downside, right? If I do show you the arrow, the prices are going down, and this is a little bit sideways right here on the prices, but the RSI is moving down. So the regular bearish divergence is being shown up right now, and I can actually still see this thing going to the downside. Now, a very similar situation that happened here maybe back a long time ago, I don't even remember, I would have shown you right now. So what is it going to be? But the thing is that if you do start to break above here, keep in mind, that's it. Okay, I do see this technical target happening, and you do have time until 26th of October 17, which is actually 5 o'clock. So right now it's 7 or 8 o'clock right now until 5 o'clock. So basically we're talking about 9 hours from now. In the next 9 hours, Bitcoin is about to make another move. And basically, if you do break above the pennant, that's 1 hour pennant, I do believe. But if you start to break below and come down like this, then this is where you potentially are looking for Bitcoin to really move to the downside. Now the question is, do you think that people are opening short for Bitcoin to go down? Because right now it feels like everyone is thinking that, yeah, Bitcoin is looking to retrace down, isn't it? And I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin just wants to go even higher. Can happen. Okay, it's possible for this to happen. Some altcoins are still cheap, they're still down. Even SHIB is down, Jasmine is still down. So they may start to move up along with Bitcoin as well. So let's see what happens in the future, and that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.